Goan freedom fighter Gurunath Kelekar passes away on Tuesday. Kelekar contributed immensely towards Goa's freedom movement, Marg Abhiyan, Nehru Center, Kokani movement, and spreading values of Gandhian ideology. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and condoled the death of Gurunath Kelekar. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said. Deeply pained by the demise of veteran freedom fighter Shri Gurunath Kelekar, his contribution to the liberation movement of Goa and public life will always be remembered. My thoughts and prayers are with his family in this hour of grief. Goa opposition leader Digambar Kamath also condoled the death of Gurunath Kelekar. Here's what he posted. गोयचे सुटके झुजारी मार्गाचे संस्थापक कोंकणी मोगी गांधीवादी आनी माझे मार्गदर्शक गुरुनाथ बाब केळेकर संवसाराक अंतरले. तांकां म्हजी आर्का. तांच्या घरच्या दुख्खांत हांव सहभागी आसा. Goa Forward Party President Vijay Sardesai took to social media and said the following. Famous Goan freedom fighter, writer, staunch Gandhian and founder of Marg Trust Gurunath Kelekar no more. Goa has lost a great Goikar. May his soul rest in peace. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.